Welcome to signing in and checking in with GivePulse. So we are going to be walking through these different steps that I included on our email for getting registered into those different events that are made for your school on GivePulse. And then I figured it might also be helpful to have another short video just for those check-in attendants who are going to be actually checking people in at the event. So our first video is just going to be walking us through how to find our school in the GivePulse interface, and then also how to go ahead and start by making our account, what the options are with the different accounts, and then to go ahead and register for our different events. The way that GivePulse is set up is that the event is your school, and then our different shifts are going to be the different dates that we have the distribution for your school. So looking at our email that is being sent out, first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your school's event on the GivePulse Big Idea page. So I'm going to click this link that is going to send me to the GivePulse Big Idea page, and I made it all stretchy so that you didn't have to see all of my emails because there are so many. So it's sending me just to this general page. As you can see, I am not logged in. It's just sending me to this. So I'm going to be prompted to either log in if I have a login or create an account. And so I'm going to click create an account so that you can see what that might look like. And then I'm going to go ahead and log in with my personal GivePulse account instead of my work one, so that way you can see what it looks like from the user view instead of an admin view. So I'm going to fill out my first name, my last name, my zip or postal code, the email that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to pick a password. I'm going to make sure I agree to the terms and conditions. I'm going to check that I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to click create an account. So if I don't have an account yet, that's how I'll walk through that. Since I do, I'm going to log in with my personal account. You can also choose to log in through Facebook or Google. It's up to you. So go ahead and do that. It's going to say welcome back, and then I'm going to request to join. Since we're working with schools, I wanted to go ahead and make sure that these weren't going to be exposed to everybody who was trying to have access to it, and I've already added access. So now that I'm in, I'm going to pick my school, and I'm going to go ahead and start by using the Muncie Excel Center as like our little example. Since I've created an account, so I'm in, I can go ahead and start registering for those events. So I'm going to pick all of the events that I want to register for. I'm going to start with this first one, register. It's going to tell me the dates underneath. So I can choose November 12th, December 17th. I can choose all of these at the same time if I know I'm going to be at all of them, and then I'll just hit continue. I'm on here, registration status. If you have minors that are going to be with you, you can add a minor underneath you. And I'm not signing in with another organization. I'm prompting you to agree to a waiver and then also add an emergency contact. So you'll fill out, mine is always my mom, Tracy Selke. And then I'm going to include a random number so that no one can steal her information. And then I'm going to agree to the platform liability, and that's just the GivePulse liability waiver. And then I'm also going to agree to my online waiver. And I'm going to complete registration. The waivers that you signed in August end at the end of December. So we have them for the calendar year, and that goes from there. So since I have my email linked, it's going to send me an email to remind me 24 hours before, 72 hours before, and then I can always cancel if I need to. I can view details. It's all going to be attached to my account, and then I can also share with my coworkers if I need to. And that is how you register.